And so
we're also trying to commend the governor for the security situation, being able to contain the security situation in the state. The River State has been a very peaceful state, and that is why most of the times we have not I as a service chief always said I have to focus on those places with more problem. Peace is the governor is able to achieve this state of peace because he's able to coordinate all the security agencies. And from the brief I got from my officer, the governor has been a very good coordinator and also assisted the security agencies in the discharge of their duty. I want to thank you very much for that, sir.
About bunkering, this bunkering cannot stop. Let's take it, let's be serious about it. Everybody's involved. The military is involved. Police is involved. The way they call it civil. If not, there's no way bunkering can continue. Navy is involved. Well, I've said military, so it's a terrible thing. It's a terrible thing. I don't know. Whether we should take the issue of bunkering to be even be more serious than treason. We should take it to be more serious than treason. If you go around and see what has happened to our environment, you pity for us. You pity for us. And there should be another civilized way to go about it, so that while you are doing the right thing, let us not die. You can't be doing the right thing and we're dying. So Igbo should find another way to see whether to reduce this suit. And unfortunately, we have no helper except still continue to pray to God to touch the minds of our people who are involved in this bunkering act. But let me also thank you for what you are doing as regards the insurgency fight in the country. I do believe that strategy is very key in the fight against insurgency. It is not publicity. You see, when you are winning a war, the people will feel it. When people are secured, you don't need to go to television to tell them that they're secured. They know. You yourself, within the environment, you know that there's some changes going on. And that is the way Nigerians believe that, yes, we are winning the war against insurgency.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.